Actually, we bought two PROS products. We bought PROS O&D III Revenue Management, and we bought GSO for groups. OD3, we bought that because we felt that our previous vendor's product really wasn't up to the same level of technology as OD3, and we wanted to leapfrog to state-of-the-art. And with GSO, we had largely a manual process, and we felt that we weren't getting enough revenue out of the group business, partly because we were overly conservative because we didn't really trust the decisions that we were making, and we wanted a system to help us with that. In Mexico, it's interesting because we have three low-fare carrier competitors, and that's really the industry, us and those three. And we've found that we've had to become really competitive in the pricing environment because they're extremely aggressive. And so we need products like GSO in particular that help us go after that last part of the traffic opportunity and fill up the flights without sacrificing yield. We see ourselves as the premier brand in Mexico. We feel that we offer a better product, so we always have to try to maintain a certain price premium, and part of what we require to achieve that price premium is better technology to let us make better decisions. With OD3, anytime you have a big implementation, you always know there's a lot of risk, and so you plan really well for it. And I think our team did a really good job of planning in terms of re-engineering processes, understanding how we need to work together. But we also had incredible support from the PROS team, both the technical and the product side. And I'll tell you, it was the best implementation I've ever been a part of. We budgeted the entire weekend for the cutover. And I showed up to work at lunchtime on Saturday, and everyone was drinking coffee, eating donuts. And literally, the cutover was done. And I was so impressed with how quickly and smoothly it went. It goes back to that cutover day, and I said that everyone was really well prepared. We budgeted the entire weekend. It was much faster than that. But the following week, we had a real problem with our host provider, and they failed to send a data file that was necessary for the PROS system. And that was the real test, because over the weekend, one of your PROS associates actually worked with us all night to get the system back up and running, and that's the kind of support that I think made a huge difference. I do think that in the groups area, that's one thing where one of our focuses has been improving our customer process. And so in the revenue management business, in groups in particular, turn time is really important. And having a tool that can give you instant answers is something that helps you meet the expectations of your agency clients. In revenue management, it's a bit difficult except on a price basis. So if we're able to be more confident about the pricing products that we put out there, the optimization of the flights, then by that definition, we're giving our customers a better product. They may not perceive it that way, because to them it's just a price and a ticket, but that's really the crux of where I think we provide customer benefit.